Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, it is still about trading using the price action and candle formations. Okay, these are some of the things that we will be looking at in today's video. We started this 3 days ago, and I believe you guys are enjoying the training videos, and I know that you guys are grabbing some things there, and you are already putting it into use. Okay, we will continue from there. Yesterday we finished with the bearish formation, candle formation, and some price actions on it, and I got so many questions on it. So many people also tried to apply it, and they were really doing well. And I'm really happy that you guys are following through all this training series. Okay, so we will continue from there in today's video, but before we go into that fully, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online. All you just need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my video clips, make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you want to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, let's go straight into what we have right away. But before doing that, I want to say a big thank you to you guys for always joining me every night for the 500 trading tips for trading boom and crash. Okay, and I am really happy that it's really bringing up results, positive results among you guys. Okay, you guys are already making so much money with this strategy. Okay, so I believe you're going to join me again later on in the day. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right away. So like I said, we started this training session on price actions and candle formation 3 days ago, and definitely we will continue from there. Today we'll be looking at different price action and candle formations. Okay, so that you will know when to apply some of these things whenever we are trading. So for the past few days we've been discussing on the bearish patterns, things that you should see. Whenever you see such things, you should know that the market is going to be selling at that particular point. So we saw some of the bearish patterns, and in my yesterday's video I went straight into the chart to show you some of these things live and direct, even on the chart. Okay, you can see the shooting stars and how it forms, the evening stars and the formation, the engulfing candle, and also the formation, then the dark cloud cover, and also the formation and the tweezer top. Okay, so from there we will be going straight into the bullish candle pattern. Okay, so these are some of the things that we should be looking at whenever we are trading. Okay, we've got the shooting star. Okay, the bullish shooting star. You can see like I said, this is going to be the direct opposite of what we had on the bearish candle formation. Okay, so you can see, first of all, let me quickly tell you this. All these patterns should be at the support region. Okay, it should be at the support region. Once we can find all these patterns at the support region, then they are valid. Okay, you have over 90% assurance that the price action we act in the direction of the pattern. Okay, which means that it shoots up, that is, it should show, give us a bullish trend. Okay, at that particular point. Okay, once you are able to get this around the support region, that is what you should look out for. That is what should happen, and there won't be a breakout below the support region. Okay, so the first one we are looking at is the bullish shooting star. The bullish shooting star, that's usually happen whenever the market is on downtrend and it's coming down, so many black candles being created, and when it get to this level after the last candle with a very big body like this, then you now see a small a bullish candle in this form, okay, with a small body and a very long wick below and a small one or nothing above it, then you should know that the next candle should be an opportunity for you to start buying. Okay, once this candle closes in this form, then the next candle should be an opportunity for you to start buying, because it is most likely for it not to break out from the support zone at that particular point. Okay, so it should be shooting up at that particular point. So let me read out what I have here. Okay, when you see this, buy in the direction of the trend in the opening of the next candle. Okay, so that is it. So the next thing we'll be looking at is the bullish morning star. Okay, the bullish morning star, this is how it usually occur. Right here, let's say we've been having a bearish candle. The market had been on downtrend. So many bearish candles have been created till it got to this level, gave us one here, a very small bearish candle here, then a bigger bullish candle here that is bigger than this, with a very big body, bigger than this, and even bigger than this last bearish candle. Then definitely the next candle should be an opportunity for us to start buying at that particular point. Okay, so I'm going to read what I have right here so that you will understand how to go about it. You can see buy at the opening of the candle of the next candle, which is this particular candle. Then close of the bullish candle must be beyond a 60% U-turn. You can see it must be beyond a 60% U-turn. That is the close of the bullish candle. You can see here is the close, and here is the complete U-turn. You can see it just the way it is shown on this image. Okay, then let me read what I have. When you see this, that is when you see a pattern like this. Okay, we saw the opposite of this pattern yesterday for the bearish pattern. Okay, but this is when you see it on the support zone, then this is what you should do. Okay, buy in the direction of the trend at the opening of the next candle, that is the candle. Once this one is closed, then the candle, once it is closed here and you have this pattern already, then you should buy at the opening of this particular candle. Okay, that will help you to trade this asset for a very long time, because it is giving us an assurance that there won't be a sudden breakout in the price action. There won't be a breakout from the support zone. Okay, so that is what it is telling us. So that at that stage we can buy and buy till the next probably resistance level or thereabouts. Okay, so all that are very, very important. When you see all this, then you will be able to trade some of these assets very well. Then let's quickly look at this also. Okay, this is bullish engulfing candle, just like this. You can see all these are opposite of what we have here. You can see bearish shooting star. You can see the evening star that we described earlier on. Just now we are now looking at the bearish engulfing, and we will be looking at the bullish engulfing. Okay, you can see it is the opposite of what we are having, just that those ones will be at the, when you see those ones at the resistance level, then you are ready to trade them, while this one must be at the support region. When you see them at the support region, then you should be able to buy at that particular point. It is giving you almost 100% assurance that there won't be any breakout. I said almost, except if there are some situations whereby the markets won't be able to control. That is when there will be breakout. Okay, so there won't be breakout in most cases, and it will bounce back at least for a while, if not totally, in totally changing the direction of the market. Okay, so these are what you should expect when such things are happening. Okay, so let's quickly check out the bullish engulfing candle. This is how it happens whenever you're on downtrend and the sell candles are being created. It will get to a certain region. You have this, the last sell candle will be having this body, and the next candle that will come beside it will be a bullish candle, and the bullish candle will be longer or bigger than the last, I mean, the body of the bullish candle will be bigger than that of the last bearish candle at that particular point. It is telling you, if this is happening at the support region, it is telling you that the market should be buying at that particular point. Okay, so which means the best time for you to enter a trade is at the opening of the next candle, at the opening of the next candle, which is this one. Once this is closed, then this should be the opening of the next candle. Then that is where you should start buying from. Probably I should also explain the opening and the closing of each of these candle for each of the trend. Okay, if the market is on, if it is a buy candle, then you should know the opening and the closing. If it is a sell candle, you should also know the opening and the closing. Okay, maybe I'm going to do that in another video so that you get to see how to do this. Okay, so let me read what I have here. Okay, this is bullish engulfing candle. After the bullish engulfing candle appears just the way you have seen it in this form, when the last candle, I mean, the last bearish candle is this, and the next candle is the bullish candle, which is having a bigger body compared to the last bearish candle, and it is starting from the same edge, and the closing part of it is bigger than that of the bearish candle, then definitely you should know that it is bullish engulfing, and you should start buying after that is closed. Then the next candle should be your entry points to buy. Okay, so that is the way it works, guys. That is the way it works. So we've been able to trade three types of bullish candle pattern in this video, so we will continue from there tomorrow and also look at other things in my next video. So you should watch out for that. I want you to take your time to practice all this, check out everything that we have done in this video and in the previous ones. Try to go to your charts to identify some of these things at the support level for the bullish pattern, at the resistance level for the bearish pattern. Try to identify them. Once you are able to identify them, then you should see if the market actually move in the direction of the trend that they are trying to signify or not. Okay, so these are some of the things that I want you to check out on your charts. Okay, these are some of the things that I want you to check out on your chart so that you will understand how they work. Okay, so that you will understand how they work. For instance, here is a bearish engulfing. Okay, you can see the bullish pattern. Probably I should zoom out a bit so that you get to see it. Okay, let me zoom out a bit. Okay, I'm coming. I am not prepared for this, but okay, now check it out. You can see the bullish candle being created, but when it got to this place, there is another bullish candle, and the next candle to it was a bearish candle, and the body is bigger than the last bullish candle, so it shows that it will be selling at that point, and there won't be a breakout. Right here you can see there was no breakout above this resistance level, and it starts selling at that point. So this is when something happens, this is where you should place your entry order on this at the beginning, at the opening of this next candle, which is this. Okay, so you should start selling from there, and you can sell from there till this level. So you can always find all this on the chart if you know what you are doing. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away and turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God